Namaskaram, Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Tejaswini and welcome to Tejayan, the world of Tejaswini. Today is Dhanteras. Many of you must have seen and observed Dhanteras during Diwali, but very few of you might be aware of the significance of worshipping God Kuber and God Dhanvantari on Diwali. Dhanvantari, who is also worshipped on the occasion of Dhanteras, is considered the god of Ayurveda, who imparted the wisdom of Ayurveda for the betterment of mankind and to help rid it of the suffering of diseases. Dhanvantari is the Hindu god of the medicine and an avatar of Lord Vishnu. He was the king of Varanasi. He is mentioned in Puranas as the god of Ayurveda. He during the Samudra Manthan arose from the ocean of milk with the nectar of immortality. It is a common practice in Hinduism for worshipper to pray to Dhanvantari seeking his blessing for sound health for themselves and for others, especially of Dhanteras or Dhanvantari Trayodashi. This is a national Ayurvedic day. Dhanvantari should usually be depicted with 4 hands holding Shankha, Chakra, Jaluka, that is leech, and a pot containing Amrit. He is often shown with the leech in his hand rather than the scriptures. Some texts describe him as holding as a coach, that is Shankha, Amrit, medicine herb, and book of Ayurveda. The word Dhanteras comes from the Sanskrit word dhana, which means wealth, and teras, which means 13. Dhanteras indicate the beginning of Diwali celebrations. It is on this day on which people purchase precious metals with the belief that they will bring prosperity. Dhanteras is also known as Dhanotradashi or Dhanvantari Trayodashi. While the preparations of Diwali celebration are on their full swing, Dhanteras adds on a new dimension to it. There is a very interesting story that back in this Hindu festival. Once upon a time, there was a king named Hima who ruled over his kingdom with justice and love as the 2 tools of his governance. He had a son, and the astrologer predicted that his son would face the end of his life due to snake bite on his 16th year. The king and the queen wanted their son to enjoy all goodness of life. As per the advice of renowned astrologer, he got his son married to a girl who had lucky horoscope. The couple lived happily for a few years. The boy near his 16th year and the king started worrying about the impending death of his son. During the appointment hour of taking the boy's life, his wife did not let him sleep and placed lot of gold and silver coins around him, and the gate was blocked with these coins. Moreover, big lamps were lighted all around the palace. She kept telling her husband various stories and sung songs so as to keep him awake. Lord Yama, the god of death, arrived in the front of the house in the form of a serpent. The snake crawled, it was to the main door of the house. When the snake was about to enter the door, the pile of ornaments stopped on the way. The ornaments were so dazzling that the snake could not see anything around it clearly. Meanwhile, the girl kept singing melodiously song throughout the rite. The songs were so alluring that the snake stayed at the doorstep enjoying the songs. The time to take up the life of the boy elapsed, and Lord Yama in the form of snake had to give up his mission. Thus, the witty idea of this girl helped save the life of her husband. Because of the above told story, this day is also called Yamadipadan. Lamps are kept burning throughout the night in the honor of Yama. Another amazing legendary story associated with Dhanteras is that of Samudra Manthan, when Lord Indra, along with the team of demons, churned the sea of nullify the curse of Sek Durvasa. Goddess Lakshmi emerged for the sea with the nectar, that is Amrit. The festival of Diwali starts from Dhanteras, and the main festival of lights, Diwali, falls on the third day. It is the day important for Kuber. He is the god of wealth and is entirely dedicated to the prosperations of him. It is said that those who worship Lord Kubera on the Dhanteras and Diwali are blessed with wealth and prosperity. Despite of the fact that this day falls on Amavasya, which has the darkest night, it is regarded as highly auspicious. It is believed that God Kuber comes on the earth that day and blesses those who light diyas on the dark night and worshipping him for heart, and shows his blessing on the people in abundance and blessing them with the prosperity as well. The popular belief among the Hindus has helped continue this holy tradition that says Dhanteras is the surest way to invite prosperity into the household and seek the long life of the husband. This festival is celebrated as Kuber Puja, which is performed in the evening when lamps of clay, that is diyas, are lit, and Naivedya of traditional sweet is offered to the god. A peculiar customs in Maharashtra exist where people lightly pounded enter seeds with jaggery and offer the mixture as a Naivedya. With this, I am coming up with mythological stories of our Diwali 5-day celebration. So stay tuned and kindly subscribe this channel and share if you like this segment. Thank you once again.